Benefits. Rejuvenating. BioSilk Silk Therapy Original is a weightless leave-in silk replenishing and reconstructing treatment that helps repair, smooth and protect all hair types. How to use. Shake well before use. Place a small amount of silk therapy in the palms and apply from the scalp to ends. May be used on wet or dry hair or skin. Use as often as necessary. Top reviews from the United States. It is the real thing, trust a well-experienced customer of BioSilk. I have been using this product for a few decades. It is my all-time favorite. Was worried when buying this due to previous reviews that it might not be the true thing. Rest assured what I got is the same stuff I have been buying from local beauty stores for ages. It seems a little more liquid but I think it's because it's such a huge bottle. I refilled a travel bottle and it had the same movement as it did when I first bought the small bottle. It is truly BioSilk. Don't be afraid. I will continue buying these big bottle from now on.